So, what is electrical engineering? Well, this is what you study when you have zero social skills, no girlfriend, and the most you say in a day is mic check, just to make sure your voice still works. That's basically me. But seriously, electrical engineering is a study, design, and application of systems and devices that use electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. Sign up today and unlock a lifetime of student loans, 4 to 5 years of lost sleep, a caffeine addiction, and the chance to become a philosopher. Because you'll be working with invisible forces that make lights blink, I guess. Still here? Cool. Let's dive in. So, you start with math. A lot of math. Every single day of your life from now on will have some form of calculation. Then, circuit analysis. DC and AC. Basically figuring out how electrons part in a straight line or wiggle around. Signal processing, you analyze natural waves, speech, music. Digital signals, that's just turning all that into ones and zeros because computers can't vibe with analog. Next, semiconductors. This is where you find out why they call it Silicon Valley. Turns out, all our favorite electronics are basically just fancy sand. Electromagnetic fields, they're invisible spaghetti-like lines that swirl around metal. Seriously, spaghetti. And then, microcontrollers. Tiny computers that can automate your home or just blink an LED and make you feel like a god. Welcome to the tip of the iceberg. We now begin to touch up on slightly advanced topics like power electronics, manipulating semiconductors to shape voltage and current, basically turning cool looking waves into faster snaky waves or straight lines like the classic snake game. You will also learn about electrical machines. This is where you apply all those invisible electromagnetic waves you learned about earlier. So let's look at a few machines. Transformers, like Optimus Prime, or close enough. They basically change voltage levels like magic. Induction motors, which are basically fans and sometimes pumps, and elevators, escalators. You get the point. Fun fact, induction motors consume about 70% of the power produced worldwide. That's a lot of fans. Synchronous machines, basically reverse fans. You blow them and they generate energy. Cool stuff. Then comes power systems. These are the long, thick, dark cables that deliver energy to your doorstep, like a pizza delivery guy. Power systems protection. This is basically a strap for the delivery guy. This system also keeps everything from catching a fire when somebody puts a spoon in the microwave. Electrical drives are basically dials that adjust the speed of your fan. And that's just scratching the surface. There's more, way more, but my brain hurts just thinking about it. So next time you see a friend studying electrical engineering, give them a hug. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. Peace.